506% increase. Crazy, isn't it? Well, that's the number of data science jobs in India that is set to grow from 2,720 in 2018 to as many as 16,500 by 2025, which amounts to a growth rate of 506%. Hello dear data enthusiasts. Today we are going to go on an exciting adventure. We'll explore some amazing developments in data science education. We'll have a look at an ongoing trend in the coming minutes. We'll dive into how the trend is not only changing the face of education but also putting India at the forefront of the global data revolution. So buckle up as we explore the rapid rise of data science education in India, a thing that is remarkably surpassing global growth. Let us look at the overview. Let's quickly examine this scene before getting into the specifics. Do you know that the global data science education market is expected to grow tremendously? Yes, you got me right. It will be $378.7 billion by 2030, according to Imarticus Learning's most recent Data Science Education Report of 2023. Let's focus on India now. According to the report, the Indian data science education market is expected to grow at an impressive compound annual growth rate of 57.52%. That is from $204.23 million in 2023 to $1.391 billion in 2028. What's causing this amazing spike? There is a paradigm shift in many different industries towards data-driven decision making. The report focuses on how this change is affecting India's employment and educational opportunities. Which major players are looking for experts in data science? Well, companies that are actively hiring include Google, Amazon, AWS, Bain and Company, Deloitte, Ernst and Young, and others. Their competitive annual compensation packages range from 6.5 lakh rupees to 35.1 lakh. Let's now discuss India's emergence as a major player in big data analytics. India is establishing itself as a global leader in the industry, growing it from $5.7 billion in 2022 to a significant $30.7 billion by 2027 within a believed 30.1% CAGR. India is expected to take up 32% of global analytics market during this time. This increases economic growth and creates plenty of job and academic possibilities. The most in-demand job roles are those of data scientists, data analysts, and business analysts. These are recognized as critical positions, accelerating the sector's expansion. Big data engineers, specialists, and financial analysts are among the other in-demand positions. The report additionally highlights certain new trends, like demonstrating an increase in the need for experts in computer vision and natural language processing, that is NLP. The two fields are essential to the development of innovative AI applications in a range of sectors. But how can academic institutions meet the changing needs of the industry? The report emphasizes the need for industry-aligned education and calls for continued investments in AI research and development. Nurturing the data scientists of tomorrow is not a choice, it is a requirement, says Nikhil Barshikar, founder and CEO of Imarticus Learning. The report also highlights India's increasing interest in teaching data science and coordinating education with the rapidly expanding field of data science opportunities. So, to sum it up, the swift progress of data science education in India is revolutionizing the education scene, presenting stimulating prospects for both individuals and enterprises. It is evident that data science is more than just a field of study. As we get around the future, one data scientist at a time. We appreciate you visiting Learnbay today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you thought this video was helpful. Until the next time, stay tuned for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.